Bombs away.
Hit a button, bait is now dropped. Let's take this button back towards us. Boat coming right back to us. Boat's coming in. Now I'm in control of the boat. Just like that.